Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, netizens found out about online chat room called Slave Chat Room, which is an exploitative group chat room created by a user identified as American Guy. According to Korean media Kooknim Ilbo's report, the Slave Chat Room is created by American Guy who is allegedly an IZ*ONE fan, trying to seek revenge on IZ*ONE haters by trapping them in these chatting rooms. In a post uploaded to the Korean community site DC Inside, American Guy is said to have proudly claimed that he created a system of enslaving IZ*ONE haters. Koreans became extremely concerned as this slave chat room system by American Guy seemed extremely similar in nature to the Nth Room system. And if you don't know about Nth Room, then let me tell you in brief. Nth Room was a Telegram account where its admin used to sexually exploit women and also filming them, uploading them on the Nth Room account and charging money from its users to pay for the videos. This Nth Room had more than 200,000 users and also said that big personalities also used to use this chat room. The main culprit of this whole incident, named Jo Jubin, also called as his user ID God, he revealed that he leaked the private information of 4 famous girl groups in the Nth Room with the help of former social service worker. And for all of his crimes, he was sentenced to 40 years in prison. But there is more to this Nth Room incident. You can find more information about it on Google. And let's come back to Slave Chat Room. The reports revealed that American Guy would track down online users who have left malicious comments towards IZ*ONE, discover their private information like their names, pictures, phone numbers, and addresses, and then threaten to leak the discovered information if they don't participate in the slave chat room. In fact, when some refused to enter the chat room or tried to leave it after having entered, American Guy would not only leak their private information online but also threaten to turn them and the collected evidence over to the police for actual investigation. Slave chat room is divided into smaller sub-chat rooms of 10 to 12 participants. The participants were forced to stay on shifts to monitor the internet community sites for any negativity towards IZ*ONE. The participants also had to use American Guy method to collect more participants like themselves. According to Kooknim Ilbo, the said chat room has grown to have at least 80 participants, including minors as young as elementary school age. A TWICE fan by the Twitter account called Light Up Down exposed American Guy based on screenshot taken from an alleged conversation between the fan and an anonymous tipper who had information on American Guy. According to the screenshots, it looks like this guy is spreading false rumors about girl groups like TWICE and NiziU. After that, TWICE fans on Twitter started trending #ProtectTwice and #ListenToUsJYPE and started demanding the agency to take actions against American Guy. After getting caught, this American Guy said that he has not crossed any legal boundaries. However, lawyer Cho Hee-yeon of Lee Jong law firm advised he is likely to receive a stronger sentence if he is taken to the court. The lawyer said he could be charged for blackmailing and coercion. Saying that he also leaked the victim's private information, he could be charged for violation of Personal Information Protection Act. And as many have fallen victim to him, he is likely to receive a stronger sentence if taken to the court. That being said, JYPE has also begun trending on Twitter with more fans coming to support the movement, to push the agency to protect TWICE members from further online harassment and to seek actions against American Guy. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.